Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to list and sell tickets on your Ticketmaster. Let us now discuss and start on how to list ticket on sell via my ticketmaster.com. So first you want to log into your Ticketmaster account, of course, and go to my tickets or my event, either via the website or your mobile app. If the event organizer allow resale and Ticketmaster is the primary provider, you'll see a sell option. Otherwise, resale isn't available for that ticket. Ticketmaster help. So, ticket select your tickets. So, tap sell or the sell ticket button to the event and select the specific tickets you want to list. You can choose all or just some. Note the ticket quantity restriction, like example, 2 tickets must be sold as a pair, 3 tickets either all 3 or just one, 4 tickets is 2 or 4 and more. Next is set your price. You can set your own price or use Ticketmaster's pricing suggestion tool. Be aware of any resale price caps. For example, some events may restrict resale to face value or within a small markup. Next is choose delivery and payment method. Mostly electronic, mobile transfer or PDF for print at home, physical options if available may require mailing. Next is payout options. You want to have your debit card payout, direct deposit, typically within 5 to 7 days after the event, and then must verify tax info if selling US event ticket. Note that payouts may take up to 17 business days in some cases. Review and list. So you want to confirm pricing, delivery, and payout details. So once you're satisfied, you want to click or tap list for sale and then publish your tickets. Ticket exchange info, master help. Next is manage your listing. So use the My Listing section to monitor your sale. You can adjust the price or cancel the listing anytime before the sale completes. If the event is canceled or postponed, Ticketmaster typically refunds the original purchase and any tip fees. And then sale completion. After your tickets are sold, ensure the electronic transfer is completed. The funds are transferred as per your selected payout method, generally 5 to 7 days post events.